market update. So just to, take you guys through what's happening in the market. Crazy volatility we're seeing. All markets are bleeding. This is the German DAX on the daily. In few days, we have been down since like last week. Look, if you take only 3-4 days here, we're down 3,800 points. Like this is insanity. This is crazy. I've never seen this in the DAX. Like one single day of trading is 1,200 points. Today the DAX, today alone the DAX moved 2,000 points. Like this is really unusual. A lot of volatility. Usually the DAX moves like 200 to 300 points a day, maybe 400 when it's really volatile. Now we're talking about like 2,000 points in a day. It's really a lot. So you better be careful, guys. I mean, what I would suggest if you're really a beginner, better not to trade during these times. It's really volatile. You will be just wiped out. So this is the DAX again. This is the I will go back to the DAX actually just to show you guys my trade today. I took 3 days and they all ended up in a loss. But you can see what's happening in the S&P 500 crashed. We can check here as well the Nasdaq also same reaction. All markets have been crashing since last week when we saw President Trump announcing the tariffs to everyone. So there have been a lot of negative reaction, a lot of fear. Market have been panicking, and that's what's creating all this sell-off. So if you check the global markets, so what's happening in today's sessions? So the S&P now is like flat versus yesterday. The Dow Jones is -1%. The DAX 4% in a single day. FTSE 4%. Same for the Eurostock 50. Chinese market opened like with -10%, and now it's -14. So crazy things are happening. Really, really volatile. Better be careful, guys. If you check the fear and greed index, this is from CNN website. You can see there is extreme fear in the market. So I mean, you only see those things when it's like in periods like when we had COVID, for example, or big market crash like 2008. So it's really scary. It is scary. If you check the VIX index, so the VIX index is basically an index tracking the fear that's in the market, and you can see we are like at 50.75, which is very close to the peak here in 2020. That was in I think in April of 2020 when we were around like 50 57. Or we were actually at more than 60, but yeah, it's quite high. So we are at a critical uh, period now. There's a lot of fear, as I mentioned, so better be careful regarding the trades that I take. So today I had three trades. All of them ended up with a loss. So the market opened here at this daily level, and I was expecting, because of the situation and the overall market sentiment, I was expecting this to break, but it didn't. It went up until this level. So I was ready to short here. I took the first short here and then the second one here, and then I got stopped out. And I had a quite large stop loss actually, but it's still my positions were liquidated. The market went up, and then I was just waiting for the market to go down again, and then I had a third entry here, and then pop stopped out again. So yeah, I mean, I managed my risk. I knew about the volatility, so I just reduced the number of contract, as I was totally aware about the situation. But yeah, it didn't play out for me. Got stopped out, and yeah, that's it. I ended up the day with the loss, and there are days like this. That's totally fine. So yeah, quick market update. Just wanted to show you what's happening, talk about the market situation. Better be careful. If you are a beginner, just reduce the number of contract, or better not trade at all, because like I've never seen the DAX doing like a candle like this. Like this is on a 5 minute chart, 431 points in one single candle. Like this is 2 days of trading for the DAX, for example. So when you have things like this, it's better to stay out. Just uh, stay out of the screen, go do something else, and then go back when the market is back to normal. Yeah, I'll keep giving market updates in the coming days, and yeah, let me know if you like this content. Don't forget to share, press the like button, and see you soon. Bye.